Animation editor improvements. In the animation editor, recording simulation animation now creates keyframes. Animation layers can be reordered by clicking their title and dragging them up or down. Animation layers can be moved horizontally by double-clicking to highlight them, then dragging them left or right. Animation layers can also be moved by right-clicking and selecting Move Layer Horizontally, then entering a specific number and selecting OK. Animation layers can be cut by clicking the Cut button in the Animation Editor toolbar. And merged by selecting multiple animation layers, then clicking the Merge button in the Animation Editor toolbar. To hide keyframes for a layer, deselect its keyframe visibility marker, the rightmost circle, and to hide all animation for a layer, deselect the layer visibility marker, the center circle. To select a range of keyframes, hold down the Shift key, then click and drag across the animation timeline. Through the right-click menu, options are available to copy or delete the selection. Empty space left between keyframes will be transformed linearly. For small errors, problematic frames can be selected and deleted individually. Between existing frames, patterns can be adjusted and even resimulated in the 3D window. Then keyed in place using either the Create Keyframe button in the Animation Editor toolbar or the S hotkey. Simulation for a range of motion from an avatar can be re-recorded on a new layer, then merged into the previous animation layer with the keyframes from the top layer given priority. In the current version, match to avatar keyframes must be used for imported animation. And the frames per second setting should not be changed from the imported frame rate to maintain the stability of the animation editor tools. Copying and pasting keyframes is possible through the right-click menu or by using the Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V hotkeys. By copying and pasting single keyframes, a loopable simulation cache can be produced. This can be achieved by copying the first keyframe from the garment's cache and pasting it at the end of the avatar's animation cycle, leaving enough room between for linear interpolation to create a smooth transition. The looped simulation cache can be previewed by clicking the Loop button in the Animation Editor toolbar, followed by the Play button.